as a way to try and encourage you guys to join, we've got 38 patrons. Ideally, that should be much more. We've been going for a few years now, so I'm trying to really boost the patrons that are joining. So we have a very affordable option now. We're at £5 a month, so you can join us and you'll be like a fully fledged member of the QDB service, where you'll get access to daily videos and also very light, very stripped down spreadsheet access. So the daily videos will basically talk about the stop loss clusters, and it'll tell us targets, where to look to TP, where you can put your SL, trade ideas based on the weekly open to target the SLC or the HR short or long, depending on your parameters. You might be more of a scalper. If you are, then you can target the SLC. If you're more swing term trading and you're looking for longer term ideas, you can look for HR long, HR short, okay? And so that's that. So that's what the daily video covers. We'll look at gold as well, and currencies, the major pairs, the dollar pairs. But we can also look at yen pairs as well. But currently we don't look at the yen because no one's requested it. So that's what the daily videos do. We look at the dollar pairs and we look at targets and trade ideas based off that, which is quite cool. And then secondly, on this QDB Lite tier, you'll get access to a very basic spreadsheet, which I'll show you. So this is the main sheet, which you won't get access to. I'm just basically monitoring our trade of the day. It's 70 pips in profit. We're looking at that a little bit after this video. So ideally, we want to be trying to think about potentially TPing on that. But you can see how we can, use the bubbles for profit. Admittedly, the last Euro Kiwi short resulted in a loss, but we had a fairly decent pound yen long, which kind of buffered that loss. So last week was negative, but it looks like this week is going to be positive. So it all depends what happens here. But this is just proof that the bubbles work. So this is the main sheet, which you won't get. You'll need to access the premium tier. But for the light tier, you'll get the signals sheet. And so what you'll see, you'll get lots of raw data. You'll need to scroll across. And this is the snapshot data from last night, which you can see, 10 o'clock PM. And then what it does, it subtracts the difference over time from that time, and then we aggregate and we average the sentiment difference into baskets, and so we can get an idea and trade ideas basically. And if you scroll right, we've got like a breakdown of the bubbles, whether or not it's a buy or a sell. Are we above or below 50% on the sentiment? How much we've moved from last night. Aussie USD has really moved. And there's a technical summary as well. And so scroll even more right, and that's basically important data from investing.com, and it gives us a metric from investing.com, and it just tells us, technical criteria for the currency pairs. So that's the main sheet, which is pretty cool. And you would obviously have to remember to check your technicals and your fundamentals, and also check your economic calendar. This is purely sentiment with a little bit of technical, in so much we got that data that we're taking from investing.com. Okay, and if you're interested, you can go here, and it gives you a breakdown of what we. I'm not sure if that's going to work. It might work, and it just does that. But unfortunately, investing.com's got lots of things, so it bypasses those annoying pop-ups. So we avoid those pop-ups. We just get the data directly, and so that's a little bit of technical summary, but mostly it's sentimental. So you do need to check your charts, and you do need to check your fundamentals and your economic calendar. And lastly, in this sheet is your daily bubbles, which tells us the positioning across time and how they're positioned. So the retail guys are currently short the USD, and they've added short. And they're long gold, and they've added long. So therefore, gold should be selling off, Aussie should be selling off, and pound euro can probably do okay because they're short both, and they're adding short. So currently, the pound USD and the euro USD are going to be tricky because you see how close the bubbles are. Okay, so the idea is that you try and get something with a little bit more of a distance. So perhaps Aussie USD will be better short. Okay, so you get a lot of stuff for £5 a month, and you get your daily video as well. And plus you get access to my knowledge pool and my experience as well. And so that's that. So that's the £5 tier, which is our new thing. So if you wanted to join us at a very, very affordable rate, then you can join us at £5 a month. If you wanted to upgrade, then it's something I would recommend, because the main sheet is a lot more powerful, and the Discord is also very good as well, and it gives you lots of trade ideas. And we get our signals into Discord, and we've got an AI robot in there as well, which is quite cool. And professional traders as well, they're sharing their ideas. So you can join us at a very affordable £5 a month, but if you want to upgrade, they're the options that I would recommend that you do, but you don't have to. And there's a little video to explain the bubble chart there as well. And if you did want to go to premium, then there's the guide for the premium there, okay? And if you're an FX SSI subscriber, you get a £5 discount a month, and then you can join the premium tier at a discount, and that's it. So an option to consider, and if not, then I'll be posting free stuff on Telegram and on the blog. But if you wanted to join us and support us, then you'd be most welcome. And I hope you have a good day, and I'll speak to you guys soon.